Hey Cappy, how you doing? It's your girl Ruth. Welcome back to another weekly news. Yeah, now we're going to see what their ancestors guide, divine source, higher ups, and black garden goddesses all want to tell us. Medical first, either you or someone else giving you the heads up. We got thighs, so maybe you actually need to exercise your thighs, something that's going on with that. Okay, now I do the Chinese thing of slap. Okay, let's see what else they want to say, Gabby. They got hair, so maybe I told you I use my own hair products. I make my own our ancestors' HM products, so maybe give you some ideas. Okay, or whatever hair means to you. Maybe it's time to get a fix or cut. Wash your clothes. Research. Respect your neighbor today, everywhere. Okay, so maybe it's time for that. And we got toes. Everybody getting toes. So I have to soak mine. So yeah, maybe it's time to soak your toes. Maybe you have an issue with that, or to get a pedicure, manicure, whatever it may be. Okay. So let's see what tarot want to tell us. Okay. Let's see what's happening. Let's see, Cappy. First we got the high priestess reverse, moon, water, highest card in the tarot deck. Very powerful, good or bad, secrets to be revealed. So maybe you feel you don't have any power, something going on. Then we got the Ten of Swords, third Deacon Gemini Mercury, opening chakras, death or ending of a situation or relationship. So it's reverse, it's not ending. So maybe you need to clean your chakras, clean your system out. Okay, maybe something going on with that. Got you holding on to pass. Then we got the Page of Swords reverse, air. Young woman to 25 years, spying or deception, reflecting back over your shoulder. So you're not taking action on this as well. Or maybe you're not talking. Okay. And that could be maybe sick or something. Maybe not feeling well. Or maybe, I don't know. Let's see. We got the Hierophant right up. Marriage, government or public company, body corporation, official building or official situation. So maybe it's got something to do with your marriage. Got you in your feelings a little bit. Things are not changing, maybe, but it seems like it's not ending. Or is it divorce? One of the two. But we'll keep going and see, okay? Five of Swords, First Deacon Aquarius, Venus. Losses, all is not losses. You still have three swords remaining, giving you the upper hand. So maybe it's your family, or maybe you're fixing a situation. Maybe something went off and you using what you have to make things work. Let's see. Let's see, Captain. We got King of Pentacles reverse, Aries, Taurus, man of 25 years, dark eyes, dark hair, business, arrogant, powerful. So I don't know if that's you or someone you're dealing with, not feeling powerful at all. What's up, Captain? And we got the Six of Pentacles, raising money or salary, second deacon, Taurus, Mercury. So somebody offering you something, or you offering somebody something, it's a little bit. Or you need someone help, maybe not feeling good or going through something. Okay, let's see. Let's go through the cards right here and see what's going on. I should have done them first. Let's see. We got computer chip on or off, motherboard, main board, everything connected, installed, mainframe, main motherboard, control system, daughter boards, process, memory, maybe something going on with your family, your mother or your wife, somebody a computer chip, somebody controlling you, one of y'all. Natural born leaders and trendsetters. New beginnings. Now that's y'all. New beginnings. Trendsetters. Y'all love name brand and new. So someone's controlling you, making you act like this. Okay, let's see. All them stop stealing our babies for y'all sick sacrifices. Protection on them. Return back home. Okay, let's see. Natural born leaders, so they got to do with the babies coming. Putting computer chips in babies or something. That's what they got you doing. You feeling you don't want to do it, maybe? Neighbor. Okay. Or maybe somebody you know doing that. Crystals on move around, good, better, and best. So yeah, protect y'all. Protect yourself. Whatever going on, Cappy. I don't know. What's going to happen next in the world? Yeah, worried about. Sickly spouse can't leave. So somebody's sick. Is it you or your spouse? You worried about maybe the babies and what's going on in the world? Y'all just gotta pray and do your part. Haunted. Ask them what they want. Producer. So this is either you a producer or you producing something or y'all being haunted by somebody or something. Wolf, sacred, loyalty, wilderness, family, friendship, teamwork, freedom, instincts, playfulness, noble, predator, danger, destruction, warrior, devil, pagan, Rome, wolf of God, God Loki, goddess, anger, Boda, whatever it is, custom or costume. So sacred wolf. So something got to do with somebody powerful or something is haunting you, trying to make you do something. Are you afraid to travel? Why? Or maybe it's they say costume. Maybe that's something for Halloween. Okay. Why did they stop us from using lead? Does it protect us from radiation? Why did they lie and tell us lead was bad and stop using lead paint? Was somebody lying, told you one thing, and they doing another one? Wow, got execution, stole your wallet. Somebody they're threatening? Are they threatening you? You and your family? Fish. And baby again, unconscious of higher self, feelings, motives, deeper awareness. Okay. Thought I put that. Intelligence, deeper awareness through process, fertility, birth, rebirth. So congratulations, you're having a baby or something like that, but definitely got to do with kids. So many crazy things going on. Learn the lesson with you. Book closed. So you're telling them you're not going to do it? That's what it is? They try to cure you or something? Are you an unforgettable person? Be colorblind. Wow. Let's see. Got Fox. Think they are smarter than you. Trying to get over on you. Negative Nancy. Think they are clever, deceptive person or nice body. Oh, so maybe they feel entitled to you of some sort. Okay. So you feeling blue? Sky, sea, open spaces, freedom, intuition, aloof, lack of emotion, unfriendliness, having the blues, logic, spirits, bad spirits. Wow. So you being haunted? Are they threatening you and your family? Or feel like you have no way out or something? Hold on, y'all. Let's see. Sorry about that. Let's see. Are you taking your time? So maybe you need to assess the situation because there's always a way out. Okay. Always a way out. Fear of the unknown. Feel like I have to protect myself and family around you. Yeah, calling you spirit guides, your ancestors, all that love and help you. Maybe you got into something or still get out. Okay. Heal. Live your life, sweetie. I am. Heal. Okay. I don't know. Let's see. Let's do Tatiana card. See if we can get some more insight. Producer. Make you think of movies. You got the key. Let's see. Okay. Let's see what that's saying. Okay, it's reversed. Overcoming pain, also a clue as to the reason for something, quite positive. Something which has been locked may now be unlocked. So it's still locked, huh? Still going through pain, it's hurting you, whatever it is. Sorry, Cappy, you gotta go through that. Say, you did say book closed. But you can rewrite the book, right? So rewrite the story. And we got, shoot, sorry about that. We got dog in reverse, so no loyalty. Somebody's not being loyal. Maybe they did say they lied. They lied to you. Now you finding out the truth. Are you doing this with someone? Even the horse is upside down. So the rider, no news, no traveling. Kind of stuck. Maybe not feeling good. Oh, shoot. No traveling. Sorry we lost a baby or anything. Got the stork here. And you got the lady reverse as well. Someone you love. You lost a baby and a... Oh, wow. I'm not going to say that. Elegant maternal but pretty figure. Could be the person being read for or their mother or lover. I'm going to pray. Everything be alright. Okay? Traveling. Safe and travel. Travel overseas connections can also mean affairs are moving rather than stagnant. So was somebody was being unfaithful? I don't know. We're gonna go to African card, Egyptian cards and see what's up. We got the Three of Swords. Okay. Let's see what that is. And that's Virgo and you, Cap. Mercury. Let's see. News of sickness or death. Wow. Rebuke that in the name of Creator. Everything gonna be alright. Okay? I'm gonna pray on this right now. Hopefully that hasn't happened. We don't want it to happen. Okay? Or maybe somebody trying to do this. Let's see. What is it? Mafia or Hollywood or gang or something? Getting a lot of interruptions, a lot of things coming in your way, trying to sway y'all. Stop the kids who put spells on other kids. No more using the chakra in children under 12 to keep your youthful, killing the kids or taking it out, and now they are lost. So it's got to do with sacrificing children or something about kids. No more stealing all of us. Lies of creation. Only different DNA experiment. Wow. Stop lying to us about the matrix being dark and that's our reality. Lies. So somebody lied, you lied, they lied, something going on. And it's got to do with some kids. Your family. Are you tired of life, people? Don't kill yourself, Kevin. What can you change about them or you? Hold on. Just keep talking to the creators. Will we build together? Child abuse. Wow. Yeah, I figured it had to do with a child. Comfort zone. Transgender. I've been praying, I already prayed and was praying about the kids this week. And them babies alone. But sacrificing. I know it's getting close to Halloween and a new moon and stuff. Anyway, stop. No more radiation, poison in hospital, homes, sky, utensils, cars, trucks, ground, sky. Enough. So y'all in the hospital or anything? Somebody got poison maybe? I'm gonna pray for them. Pray for y'all. Or someone you know maybe. Never seen no one happy in a relationship, even if it lasts long. They both always messed around or one of them. Too big sexually, too small, men or women. The men, you know they too grown to be messing with children. I'm not waiting. Like to do crooked things to make money, but don't know how to be a crook. Putting family in danger. Trouble with the law. Oh man. Hope you or somebody's not on the run. They was talking about that earlier. Be careful, Capricorn. Will you give him or her a second chance? Or you already did? Sorry about that, kids playing outside. Do they need financial help? Hopefully that it will work out. In love with love, but don't love person or know how to love. I hope it work out, Tappy. I'm loyal, honest, and caring. Okay. So they take you for granted. Yeah, you got a lot of distractions. They don't want you to see what's really going on. You got, I am not emotional without a cause. It's okay to cry. I'm not codependent. I don't need no one to always boost me up. Fight to think positive today against your brain people. Okay, stay positive. I don't snap on people. I'm not obsessed with my looks. Okay. It's medical affirmation. Let's see what else there. That's why I got this. See what I got this? Negative blocks, release sisters, whatever that is. Calm the mind, manifest miracles. Okay. It's not for everybody, okay? Everybody don't be tripping me out, okay? Yeah, I be hearing the stuff. I am organized. Yeah, get organized. We got a master plan. Y'all the one. Y'all the go. I'm not nosy. I don't want to hang with someone just because they are popular or rich, successful. I don't have low self-esteem. Okay. I am not jealous of others. Okay. Yeah, say them affirmations, okay? Let's do the chakra wisdom card. Hoping everything turn out. I know hope everything's gonna turn out just great. Okay. Let's keep saying that. Second chakra, sacral chakra, sensuality. I encourage myself to express my sensuality and emotions creatively using all my faculties, including touch, voice, and actions, and creative abilities such as art, craft, music, acting, cooking, gardening, and writing. I practice being aware of and enjoying my senses, being nourished and stimulated by the natural world, such as by landscaping, people, weather, animals, aromas, and sound. Yeah, maybe you need to get out in Mother Nature and create and free your mind for a minute, at least for a minute. Okay. All right, Cappy, that's what I have for you. This is your girl Ruth signing off. Would you like, subscribe, share, and comment? I really appreciate it, and I hope this helps in some type of way. And I'll be praying for y'all, which I do anyway. I love y'all. Bye.